Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you my Kill a Kit for the month of October. Now, as you guys know, I think there needs to be more purple in scrapbooking, and I decided that this month I was going to put my money where my mouth is, and I'm going to base my kit on purple. So I have pulled some things. Now, some of these do not go together, but that is okay, because we're going to do all the things. So I have this sheet of paper right here from Fancy Pants Millie and June that has purple in it. I also have Bloom Street 11. It has these on the back, which has purple, but those aren't my thing, but it does have these florals. I have Bloom Street number 14, which has a nice purple stripe. I have Chamel's Never Grow Up Fly Free, which does have purple on the feathers, but I liked it for this side. Now I also have Amy Tangerine's Picnic in the Park, and this is called Shady, not for the sunglasses, but for this purple sprinkles side. I also have Amy Tangerine's Picnic in the Park Soft Serve. While I think that this is super cute, I got it for this purple plaid. I also have this awesome, it's a kind of a pinky purple foily paper that my friend Vicky sent to me. Then I have this Bloom Street paper, Bloom Street number 10. It does have purple on this side, but I think I'm going to use the watercolor side. Then Bloom Street 23 with all of the florals. It has purple on here too. We'll see what happens. I have Go the Scenic Route, and this is paper number 20. Those horrid butterflies on that side, but it's got pink and purple on this side. And then Amy Tangerine Late Afternoon sprinkled throughout. It has leaves on one side, but this kind of purple on purple grid on the other. I also pulled out a sheet of glitter cardstock from Close to My Heart. This is Sugar Plum, I want to say. I think it's Sugar Plum. And then I pulled out a couple scraps that I had. And these are my scrap sizes, guys. This is from Chamel. This is called Pick a Letter. It's the B side. It does have purple dots in it. This is from Go to the Scenic Route. It's number 6. This is from Bloom Street. It's number 15. This is from Coco Vanilla Studio Unforgettable. It has no no purple, but I really like the wood grain. I'm a fan of wood grain, so I decided to pull that in. I have this scrap, which is probably one of the smallest scraps I have. It's from some Pink Fresh Studio. I'm not sure which one. And then I also have this roller coaster die cut that my friend Vicky sent. And this is in a purple mirror finish. So, stuff that I used to pull. Now, I did pull a couple stencils. One is the All-Star stencil. One is, you can't really see these. And I dropped a sheet of purple paper. This is a bluey purple, kind of like a periwinkle, but you know what? For me, it's purple enough. So let me just grab this so you can see. So I have the All-Star Essential, which I haven't cleaned off yet because I just used it. I also have Mandala number 1. And then I have the inside of the castle, the big castle stencil. When you order the stencil from my site, you get both the inside and the outside. And this time I'm going to use this one. So we have those stencils. I don't really have any purple alphas, but I did, this is blue, but it's almost purple. So this is the Millie and June alpha. I pulled these white words. They're from Amy Tangerine, called Wild. I pulled the pink Paisley Whimsical sticker sheet that I've only used a few things. There's purple bits on here, but there's also coordinating colors. I pulled these. These are from Love and Lemon. They have purple things on there. I pulled these from Paper House, these labels. Now, they have purple on them. As you can see, I've used some of them already, but I wanted that because of the purple it did have. I pulled out a couple just things that didn't have purple on them, but I thought that they would coordinate well. So I have these from Paper House. These are sculpted stickers. I have some Sweet Story gold bows. I have some khaki and gold banners. I also pulled out some stickers. So these are clear black and white stickers, and then these are white and gold stickers. Those were in last month's kit as well. I pulled out this one homemade epoxy flare that I have from Scrap and Happy Studio. It says, "Stay home and craft." And then I have the Bloom Street sticker book, which is basically brand new. I haven't used it at all. So we'll see how much of that gets killed. I also pulled the 5th and Monaco black and white words. I have some white foam and some gold words that were in my stash. And then I have the Jen Hadfield, the Avenue gold leafy thingies. I also pulled these This Is Us stickers about self-care because they have pretty purple things. This is from Paper House and Plans That Blossom. Then I have what's left of 2nd Avenue. I did use a couple of these. These are from Jen Hadfield. These are also up in my shop. I love them so much that I decided that they needed to go in the shop. I'm also bringing in Purpur tape, you guys, and I hope I use enough mixed media that I can kill this roll because I actually have a roll waiting and ready to go. That might seem a little bit ridiculous, but it is purple. Pulled in a couple washi tapes. So this one has some sparkle to it. This is kind of a pink and purple stripe, and then just a plain purple one. Now I'm pulling in some glitter. So I have Stickles in Moon Dust. This is a white glitter, but you know, glitter is glitter. And then I pulled in 2 glitter glazes from Brutus Monroe. One is Amethyst and one is Perfect Plum. One is lighter, one is darker. So I'm excited about those. I also am bringing some embellishment mousse in, and this is in English Heather. So that's a nice purple one. And then I'm bringing in 2 mists. I have some Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist, which is ancient, and I also have the Nouveau Mica Mist, and these are both, I think they're both gorgeous. So we have those. Now I do have this random bit of green that says The Good Life, but I want to use it with the purple because I think purple and green are really cool together. So I pulled that in just to be able to use it up. And then, of course, things that these will not be able to be killed. At least I hope they won't. I am bringing in my purple Close to My Heart ink pads. As you guys know, I'm digging the purple ink pads, or I'm digging the Close to My Heart ink pads. So we have those. My purple blender brush. Brought that in, like I said, not going to kill that. Really don't plan on it. Now, that is it, you guys. Let me know down below in the comments if you think a purple kit is fun, or not. If you think it's dumb, that's fine too. Just let me know. You can even say, Sandy, I think a purple kit is dumb. My feelings will not be hurt, I promise. So there it is, you guys. Let me know what you think. I am excited to be scrapbooking with purple, all shades of it, in October. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And then ring that bell so you'll be able to get a notification every time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you again real soon for another video.